Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Naik Math. This is the introduction to my playlist on indefinite integration. I have assumed that everyone watching this is familiar with the techniques and functions that you learned in high school algebra. I have listed some of the material over here, but this is not an exhaustive list. Another important prerequisite, what you do need to have, is a thorough knowledge of all the computational rules of differential calculus. You need to know how to find the derivatives of most functions, as well as the product, quotient, and chain rule. Indefinite integration, roughly speaking, is the opposite of finding the derivative. Finding the derivative of a function is very straightforward if all the rules are known. This might seem easy enough, but in practice, finding an integral requires much more effort and imagination than finding the derivative. In fact, there are a lot of integrals which are literally impossible to express in terms of standard functions. However, with a lot of practice, it is certainly possible to master the techniques that will be expected of you in high school and university. This playlist is divided into 3 parts: basic, intermediate, and advanced. If the screen looks blue like this, that means you are in the basic section. It is an absolute must to know these basic strategies. These are the very fundamentals. And you need to know these in order to understand the intermediate videos, which will be in black. You will be expected to know most of the intermediate strategies if you are studying any kind of science or engineering. Lastly, there are the advanced strategies in this beige color. You may or may not need to know these, but I have just included them for the integration enthusiasts. It goes without saying that practice is essential in math. Therefore, I have at the end of each video included practice questions to test your understanding of the material. The trickier problems are shown in a golden color and will usually require some more effort or ingenuity. The answers to all the practice problems will be revealed a few seconds after they appear. For the basic and intermediate sections, that is the blue and the black videos, I recommend not moving on to the next video in the playlist until you have worked through all the practice problems. So, after you finish watching the solved examples in the videos, pause the video and try the problems. This could take you anywhere between 5 minutes to a couple hours depending on the video and depending on how familiar you are with the material. The most important thing is to not give up. If a problem seems too difficult, make a note and come back to it after doing the next few problems. Very often in mathematics, a seemingly unrelated problem can provide inspiration for a problem that has been haunting you for days. Well, that's it for the introduction. I hope you enjoy watching the playlist as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you for watching.